This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite to the one being removed. Using the tool included in the vehicle toolkit, pull the wheel center trim from place. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt tool where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced rubber block situated under the front door sill. Then raise the vehicle until the rear wheel is clear of the ground. Position an axle stand under the reinforced rubber block under the rear of the door sill. Lower the jack. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Gently pull the wiring loom and brake hose grommets from the bracket on the shock absorber. Prise away the rubber boot. Spray a little penetrating fluid to the exposed threads, then unscrew and remove the lower mounting bolt. Undo the two upper mounting bolts and withdraw the shock absorber from the wheel arch. Note that new bolts must be fitted. Maneuver the shock absorber into position, then insert the new upper mounting bolts. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Align the trailing arm hole with the shock absorber lower mounting, then insert the bolt and tighten it to the specified torque. Ideally, the lower bolt should be tightened when the vehicle weight is back on the wheels, but if this is not possible, raise the trailing arm with a jack to simulate the vehicle weight, then tighten the bolt. Refit the rubber boot over the lower mounting bolt. Clip the wiring loom and brake hose grommets back into place in the shock absorber bracket. Locate the wheel over the hub, then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. With the jack head under the rubber block at the front of the door sill, raise the vehicle until the axle stand can be removed. Then lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Refit the wheel center trim and remove the wheel chocks.